Check the temperature on joint 4B.
Looks stable. Quality is optimal.
Check the alignment on the rear swing arm.
Reading 0.02 mm deviation within tolerance. Recording the data now.
Brake pressure looks good at 500 psi.
Suspension rebound is within tolerance.
Look at the torque curve at 8,000 RPM.
The rear suspension is showing excessive travel right here. We should log that.
All parameters green. Checklist confirmed.
Final approval authorized. Excellent work.
Looks perfect. Ready for shipping.
Unit 47 is cleared for strapping.
Secured. Manifest confirms destination Munich.
Copy that. Moving to staging now.
Ensure the waterproofing is sealed properly.
Already done, Supervisor.
Looks good. We can move this batch to shipping.
Bay 3 confirmed secure. All right, bring the next one up gently now.
Final inspection passed. You are cleared for departure.
Roger that. Securing the seal.
Reroute the priority shipment to Bay 3 immediately.
Confirmed. Updating the manifest for Unit 47 now.
I'm seeing an issue with this seal on frame 4.
Yes, agreed. Have it replaced immediately.
We verified the seals and the route manifest. Everything is accounted for.
Understood. I'll sign for the release.
The Q3 delivery metrics are holding steady at 98% efficiency. The new routes are working.
Validate the completion metrics on your tablet and send the report.
Manifest confirmed for Bay 3.
Copy that, Supervisor. Record updated. Inventory count confirmed. The shelving is cleared as requested.
Staging area is good to go. Final sign-off complete. Adherence metrics improved significantly. We must maintain this rigor for the next batch.
But the variance in the paint shop data is still a concern.
System check complete on section 3.
Acknowledged. We are green for the next run.
Data. Ensure the torque settings match the diagram on the screen precisely.
What is the tolerance level for the crankshaft casing?
Upstairs, we can shave another 2% off the assembly time if we adjust this sequence.
But what about the torque specifications here? The data suggests
Check the tensile strength report for the frame welds here.
It's within tolerance, but this thermal reading is slightly elevated. Let's flag it for re-inspection.
The chassis alignment is perfect on this one.
Yes, the welding tolerance meets the new standard. We can greenlight the first batch for distribution.
The inbound forecast for the S1000RR parts looks solid for Q3.
yes, but we need to monitor the vendor performance on the chassis components.
The Q3 incident rate is holding steady at 0%.
That aligns with the increased adherence we're seeing. Let's verify the welding bay logs.
The first of the incident. As you can see on the exploded view, the torque specifications.
Especially the S1000RR chassis.
Exactly.
All parameters are green across the validation matrix.
Excellent. Locking in the final approval for this unit.
Looks like the connectivity for the manufacturing line is fully optimized.
Yes, everything is well within parameters.
If we look at the utilization graphs, the bottleneck resolves in the next cycle.
And the extended review confirms the new equipment integration is on schedule. The efficiency metrics for the cooling system are still in the red.
Yes, we need to adjust the flow rate immediately.
This heat map shows a high risk factor in the cooling system.
The MTBF data on the tablet contradicts the projected lifespan.
We've optimized the torque sequence on the chassis bolts.
The new layout reduces movement by 15%.
Excellent work. This validation is successful.
Alignment confirmed across all departments. We are fully synchronized and green for steady-state production.
The audio is characterized by a persistent, low-frequency, ambient factory hum, signifying a
Scan confirms the QR code is valid. Cross-reference the batch number.
Batch 773 matches.
Traceability check complete.
Readiness really great. As you can see on the central display, the final lifecycle analysis confirms peak performance until Q3.
As you can see on the main display, the real-time quality control data for the chassis components remains solid at 99.8%.
Lifecycle status updated to monitoring mode. Handoff confirmed.
Acknowledged. All parameters are nominal.
Parameters locked. Initiating full lifecycle governance sequence.
Thresholds look good, confirming activation.
We've optimized the chassis welding, resulting in a 5% weight reduction.
That aligns perfectly with the design. By integrating the new AI-driven design protocols, we can accelerate the next iteration by 15%.
All systems green on the final production run.
Quality sign-off is complete.
Confirmed, ready for shutdown procedures.